Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to detect hardware, operating system name, system information print inside the command line using a simple Python script. I will show you in this tutorial how to use the built-in operating system module, which is this OS module. So as I run the Python script in the terminal, it will print out everything related to the hardware operating system. So let me just run this Python script. So as I run this Python script, you will see all this information will be displayed, such as the what sort of hardware you are using. So we are using the Windows machine. This is my uh, laptop name here. You will see it will give you all the details right here, the version that we are using. And now it will also print out what sort of machine you are using. So we are using a Windows machine, operating system, version, platform, Windows 32. All sort of information it will display. So for displaying this information, we have this built-in operating system module. So first of all, we simply import this operating system module. After that, we can simply print out the name of the system by simply typing. It has a property called as name. So it will display the name of the operating system. So if I just run the script here, you will see it will display the NT, which is the NT is a family of operating system for specifically for Windows. So it will display the operating system name. And then if you want to display what sort of platform that you are using, so we can simply import the platform module, and then we can print out what sort of platform that you are using. So platform dot uname. So this is actually the function. So now it will print out the platform that you're using. Also, we can display the operating system name as well by using platform dot, and it contains this system function which will display the system information. And similarly, we can display the operating system version as well. Similarly, it contains the function for version for displaying the version. So if I run this now, you will see it will display the Windows here. We've been using the Windows version. This is the operating system versions 10.0. It will display. And then if you also want to display what sort of system that you're using, so we can import the system module, and then we can display the platform, operating system platform. So it contains the property here of platform, and then we can even print out the version as well by simply saying system.version, what sort of version that you're using. So if I run this now, you will see it will print out Windows 32, Win32, and this is the operating system version, which is 3.10.5. So this is actually essentially the way by which you can actually display hardware operating system related information of your respective operating system inside Python. So you can use the built-in system module, built-in platform module, and built-in operating system module. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.